Lapelat Paidbah ya ka Sampoornata Abhiyan henna kasengi Haribhoi district da kecing temu banla ban kenco ya henriu teli kijing kedau lengba ka National Institution for Transforming India kani kijing alang kalalong ha parish hall Nongpoh bat lawan bani shimbenta da ki sangut ki MLA ka Haribhoi district kata uba Emerald Bonds im ba Sostenes Sotun bat uba daman bait lamari Kibalaya don lang ha kani ka program kikentop ya Deputy Commissioner Haribhoi u Abhilash Baranwal u Surrender Mera IFS na ka niti ayuk bat kiwe kimat ba ka niti ayuk ka kampai kmat ka kentop ya ka koit ka khia ka puli puthi ka rep karyang ka kam karkhana bat kijing te ka imlang salang bat ka maryang saudong saukun.
Is conceptualized by Niti Ayub. Subhaya Bhakti, Felix, Bakhado of the supplementary nutrition program, sir.
Basically, it is about the achievement of certain targets which are monitored in the field through 40 key performance indicators. So out of these 40 key performance indicators in this launch program, we have taken up 6 indicators for which we are planning to achieve.
The target is by 30th of September, there are 6 indicators across health, nutrition, education and agriculture that we are supposed to receive 100% saturation. So today was the formal launch of the same program.
Kadidi news kalayo bani kren bat kinong don bentaha katanat puli puthi bat kadap karyang ha kabayade bat kajing kedo jong ka KPI.
Ini dari bohai lajar sundai pulai persen ini distribution of selantar ni ada dia bisa setang terhiu persen kita ru yang pendek roh hati ilai benai ba sarkar kini ka ai syafo Haribhoi bakalong ka aspirational district kujing sam kita di arhajar reduce persen.
Hakajing penlat Paidbah ya ka Sampoornata Abhiyan nasam ki kusnam kinong jom hakajing mare marathon berka poster competition nalokan ni kinong yo jing toi kilayo priang ki soil health kan berkilayo ra ki marba mardi nagabenta kilong kami ba armen
Kendau bakno ngum ki jingthung bakno bangin pedekam ya ki jingthung ha ka kendau ka bangin thung menswa
Kini kijing kedong kilong ibakong san mengganti keroy kapan habaro kiliang hakatan. Deputy Commissioner Abhilash Baranwal ulakan to baka mission jong sarkar pedeng ling baka Sampoornata Abhiyan kan laban kenjo ikathong jong kin ruteli kijing kedong hapo lai banai. Video report DG News Meghalaya.
Mentangin ya